It's Tony from Overload RC. Just a review really on the Eachine Race 250 quadcopter. What you really have to do, I wouldn't say it's out of the box flying. I'd say you have to do a few things as well. So we'll go through what you need to buy for it to get it flying stable, and what other bits you need. So you've got a CC3D flight controller standard. This isn't the one with GPS or anything, that's the Evo edition, but you can just change that out, which is something I probably was going to do, but I'm going to sell this now. But you could get the Evo edition flight controller, which gives it GPS and allows it to altitude hold as well and return to home. Some extra features where this one is just straight race drone. Stability, that's about as good as it gets. So you've got these funky rear lights, which I think is fantastic for a quadcopter like this, so you can see where it's going because it's so small. Of course they're bright. So you can see it's got front and back lights, which is quite cool. I did change the antenna to more, these are pretty good, these style, quite powerful. And obviously you had to put your own receiver in, transmitter. So we've gone for the Fly Sky. This is the new edition, so you need to hold these two. And you get a conversion. Fuck me sideways. You get a conversion to allow the spring to take out there. So I bought this G-Tang FPV watch. Didn't really think it'd be that great, to be honest with you. It was only 25 quid, I think it was, back in the day on GearBest. But I'll tell you what, it's something else. It really is. Just going to fire it up. The range on this is ridiculous for a watch, it's not normal. So you can see the quality of this picture. So we've got the FPV running. Obviously quite bright. I mean, that's quite impressive. It's got voltage top left. How long you've been flying for at the top, middle, and what channel you're on. I mean, this watch is pretty cool. So you just charge normal USB, and you have got a little pull-out antenna, which, to be honest with you don't need, because the range is, like I said, outstanding as it is, to be fair. And it just goes like that, but I've never really need to do that. So this is great for to give to your mate while you're flying it. Obviously you've got the big screen on your controller, or if you just want to quickly go and test flight and make sure you can see where it's going, because these are quite difficult to fly in my eyes without FPV. So definitely worth getting. I think they've gone up in price, but if you think you're a bit worried about range, no, it's pretty good. Shockingly good actually for a watch, and the picture quality is obviously pretty good because the screen's small. But not bad. That's the Eachine 250 race quadcopter. One thing I will say, like I said, out of the box, it comes with a CC3D flight controller, and you're going to need, I think it's called Liberty, I'll put the link in the description, Liberty software, and that will flash and balance and get everything set up. I wouldn't recommend flying it straight out of the box, and just go through some settings. You're going to tweak some settings, set the motors up. So it says it's ready to fly, I wouldn't say it is. I'd say you need to know a little bit about software and flight controllers if you're going to buy one of these, because you will need to go into the software on the flight controller and set that up, and I'll put the link in the description of what I recommend. Alright guys, take care.